students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson.
Subject is English of Standard First and name of the story is 7.5. This is The Monkey and the Log. Yes, dear children, this is a short story and this is very nice story. Okay, here in this story we can see a monkey, okay, and the log. See, this is monkey, right? And this is log. Log means a large wooden piece. Can you see this? Okay, this is story about this monkey and this log. Okay, this is a moral story. It gives us some moral. Okay, you have to follow this moral. Got this, children? Okay, we will proceed to our story. See, this is the page from our textbook. Okay, page number 70. If you have the textbook, then please open this page. Okay, now I will narrate this story first in Hindi on this page and then we will go through the same story in English. Okay, we'll start. Here, एक जमाने में दो वर्कर्स बोला काम करने वाले लोग क्या कर रहे थे? काम कर रहे थे. क्या काम कर रहे थे? वो टेम्पल बना रहे थे. टेम्पल बनाने का, टेम्पल मीन्स मंदिर. ओके, टेम्पल बनाने का काम कर रहे थे. उसके लिए हमको क्या क्या चाहिए? लॉग्स चाहिए ना, खंबे विंबे चाहिए टेम्पल बनाने के लिए. सो लोग क्या कर रहे थे? वो खंबा बना रहे थे. टेम्पल के लिए खंबे तैयार कर रहे थे. तभी क्या हो गया? इधर यू कैन सी हियर. तभी क्या हो गया? दोपहर हो गई. सुबह से वो काम कर रहे थे. दोपहर में उनको भूख लगी. बहुत सारा काम कर रहे थे वो, राइट? तो भूख लगी तो एक वर्कर ने बोला चलो जाके खा के आएंगे थोड़ा कुछ. नजदीक में एक शहर है, उधर जाके खा के आएंगे. तो दूसरे ने बोला ओके चलो, मुझे भी बहुत भूख लगी है तो हम दोनों जाके क्या करेंगे? खा के आएंगे. बट वेट, हाँ, हम लोगों ने एक कट किया है ना, उसके बीच में क्या करूंगा मैं? एक वेज डालूंगा. एक कट किया है ना, वेज बोला तो एक छोटा सा लकड़ी का टुकड़ा. ओके, वो टुकड़ा मैं उसके अंदर फंसा दूंगा. तो क्या होएगा? ऐसा ही रहेगा. हम लोग आने के बाद वापस अपना काम चालू कर देंगे. ओके बोला. वो लोगों ने डिसाइड किया तो वेज डाला वो लोगों ने. वेज देखो इधर दिख रहा है. वेज डाला और निकलते वक्त एक आदमी ने बोला शामराव, ये वेज किसी ने नहीं निकालना चाहिए क्योंकि ये निकाला तो गया काम से. ऐसा बोले और बाद में सोचा जल्दी से जाके खाना खा के फटाक से वापस आ जाएंगे. तो दोनों निकल गए. उसके बाद में क्या हो गया? उधर एक मंकी आया. आसपास के फॉरेस्ट थे ना, उधर से एक मंकी आया और मंकी आके इधर देखा, लॉग देखा, इधर उधर नाचा. वो तो मंकी है, राइट? इधर उधर देखा, सब देखा. बाद में सोचने लगा ये तो वुडन लॉग है, राइट? उसके अंदर ये लकड़ी को क्यों घुसा के रखा है? ये क्या काम करता है? फालतू का कुछ भी काम करते हैं. ऐसा करके उसने बोला अभी मैं क्या करूंगा? इसको निकाल डालूंगा, निकाल के देखूंगा क्या होता है करके. वो बहुत क्यूरियस था मंकी. उसको पूरा आंसर चाहिए था. ये ऐसे क्यों होता है, वो वैसा क्यों होता है. ओके, उसको बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी थी. सो क्या हो गया? उसने क्या किया? बहुत ताकत लगा के क्या किया? वो वेज को निकाल डाला. निकालते ही क्या हो गया, वो कैसा बैठा था, वो लॉक पे बैठा था और उसकी जो पूंछ थी वो गैप में अटक गई थी। उसको पहले पता नहीं था, करेक्ट। जैसे ही उसने वेज निकाला तो क्या हो गया, ये लॉक क्या हो गया, क्लोज हो गया। थोड़ा सा गैप थी, वो एकदम टाइटली बंद हो चुकी। बंद होने के बाद वो क्या हो गया, उसका तो टेल था उसके अंदर, टेल सडनली उसके गैप के अंदर ट्रैप हो गया। ये बहुत चिल्लाने लगा, हेल्प हेल्प, मदद करो प्लीज, मुझे कोई बचाओ। लेकिन आसपास में कोई नहीं था, क्योंकि वो वर्कमैन तो गए थे खाना खाने के लिए और दूसरा कोई नहीं था। तो वो क्या हो गया, सडनली देखा तो उसका पूंछ उसके अंदर ट्रैप होके कट हो गया और उसका बहुत तकलीफ हुआ, बहुत जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगा, रोने लगा। देखो कितना कैसा हो गया, राइट। सो गलत हो गया ना उसके साथ, करेक्ट। तो डियर चिल्ड्रन, ये स्टोरी में से अपने को क्या सीख मिलती है? कुछ सीखा आपने? यस। क्या करना नहीं चाहिए हमें? वेरी गुड। जो चीज अपने को कुछ मायने नहीं रखती, जो चीज अपने काम का नहीं है, उसमें अपना नाक नहीं घुसाना चाहिए। समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, सो वी शुड नॉट मेडल with things that are not concerned to us. Got this, children? Yes, this is the moral of the story. Okay, आप भी फॉलो करेंगे ना? मम्मी कभी कभी बोलती है बेटा वो चीज के पास मत जाओ, वो तुम्हें कंसर्न नहीं करता है करके, करेक्ट। तभी उधर नहीं जाना है। गॉट दिस? नहीं तो अपनी हालत भी मंकी जैसी हो जाएगी, करेक्ट। Okay, children, we will go through the same story in English. The monkey and the log. Here, first, listen, read and enact. Listen, सुनना है, read. You have to read this, and enact means you have to do the drama on this. You have to do the action on this. Okay, see, this is the surroundings. Here, once upon a time, certain workmen were busy building a temple. Once upon a time, certain workmen. See, these two are workmen. They are working. What they are doing? They were busy building a temple. Temple means mandir. Okay. See here, they were busy, isn't it? Okay. Yes. Yes. When it was known, see, the one of the workmen said, Ram Rao. He is Ram Rao and he is Shamrao. Okay. He said, Shamrao said, Ram Rao, let's go to the town for lunch. He asked. Okay. Then Shamrao, what he did, he was working. He said, wait, I will put a wedge here and come. Okay, what he said? Okay, Shamrao, I will just put a wedge. Wedge means, a piece of wood. Okay, here and I come, he said. Then he put the wedge inside the log. You can see here, this is the wedge, a piece of wood. Okay, and both of them, they left. Before that, again Shamrao said, let's hope no one touches that wedge while we are away. Got this? Yeah, if we take out this, the gap will be closed. Correct? So he said, let's hope no one touches that wedge while we are away. And both of them left for the lunch. At the same time, there were so many monkeys on the tree nearby. One of the monkey got down and it arrived near the log. See, it inspected the log here and there. It went that side, this side. Okay, see this, he sat here, he got up. He was very, very curious about all that. And afterwards, it thought that, yes, what is this piece of wood doing here? Yes, then he thought that, okay, I wonder what will happen if I pull it out. Yes, now he thought that what is the work of this piece of wood? What I will do? I will take it out. See how it is sitting and where is its tail? See, its tail is inside the gap, isn't it? And he is sitting on the log and he is trying to pull it out. What? Wedge, isn't it? Now it tried hard. Yes, oof, it's tough, it said. Again it tried. It stood and again tried to pull out the wedge, and he succeeded in that. Yes, out it came. Then what happened? Within a second, he started to shout, help, 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 please help me. Like that he shouted, but no one was there. No one heard the shouting. He got too much pain. He cried and cried. The gap closed, entrapping the monkey's tail. See this? Yes, the gap closed. The monkey's tail inside this log. Right? Then what happened? See, the poor monkey cried in pain. So, we should not meddle with things that are not concerned to us. See the tail of this monkey, it is cut, isn't it? Because of his curiousness, it lost its tail. Got this, children? What is the moral of this story? That we should not meddle with things that are not concerned to us. Okay? Got this? Yes, you must have to follow this moral in your life. Then you will remain safe. Got this? Okay, this is the end of this story. Remember the moral? Okay. Now learn and write the words neatly. Here some words are there that you have to learn and you have to write them neatly. Okay, first one is WORKMEN, workman. See the meaning? Workman, the workers. Next one, TEMPLE, temple, mandir. Next is TOUCH, touch. Don't touch me. Correct? Touch. See the picture? Touch. Next is SUDDENLY, suddenly. Achanak. Suddenly he slipped because of banana peel. Wonder. WONDER, wonder. See. आश्चर्यचकित होना. Wonder. Next is building, building. Then wedge, wedge, wedge. See, this is a wedge. Okay, a piece of wood, that is called wedge. Lunch, lunch. See, this is a lunch, correct? Thali. Then arrived, arrived, arrived. आना, आगमन करना. Okay, he arrived, the boy arrived. Next, MEDDLE, medal. Interfere in something that is not one's concern. अपना काम का नहीं, उधर नाक नहीं घुसाने का. ओके, like that, medal. Trapping. See the picture. The leg is trapped. Got this? See, TRAPPING. Trapping. The leg of the kettle is trapped inside this. Can you see here? Next, concerned. CON, sir, NED. Concerned. Okay? Concerned means complete the following phrases. Yes, dear children, phrases means the group of words they does not give the complete sense of the sentence. Okay, we will go through. She once upon a time dash. We have to complete this. Once upon a time, it is given in the textbook. Okay, first we will write all these. Yes, last one. Okay, now we will write the answer. Once upon a time, there were two friends. It is given in the textbook. Okay, how to write? See, once upon a time, there were two friends. We start the story like this, na? If you want to tell about the story of two friends, then how we say? Once upon a time, there were two friends. They were very good friends and they liked each other. Like that we start. Correct? Second, once upon a time, there was. Was means single. See here. There were means many. Here there was. You can write a king. Or there was a queen. Or you can see once upon a time there was a tall boy. You can write once upon a time there was a pretty girl. Okay, anything you can write. Next, once upon a time there were dash. Here also you can write like this as we have written in the first. Once upon a time there were four animals. You can put the number, you can put the word like some. Okay, once upon a time there were some people. Whatever you can write. Next, fourth, I wonder dash. Yes, you know the meaning of wonder. Wonder means आश्चर्यचकित होना. Here we can write, I wonder why the grass is green. Yes, I wonder why the sky is blue. Anything you can write. Okay, next one, I hope, I guess, I hope you are doing well. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. बोलते हैं ना हम लोग जैसा. तुम अच्छे हो. I hope you are doing well. Yes, enact the story. Yes, if your friends are there in your locality, or if your classmates are there in their locality, then try to enact this story. One or two become the workman, one act as a monkey, okay, and enact this story. Children, this story is on page number 70. Please try to read this, okay.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.